In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create modals and pop-ups in Base44. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Base44, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place in your project, and let Base44 guide you through setting up your modal or pop-up. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and that you've opened the project where you want to add your modal or pop-up. Once you're in the editor view, look for the main search or command area at the top of the interface. This is usually where you can quickly jump to tools, components, or actions inside your app. In that search or command field, start typing the phrase create modals and pop-ups. As you type, Base44 will usually suggest actions or templates that match what you're entering. You're looking for an option that clearly relates to creating modals and pop-ups in your current app or page. Click on that option to confirm your choice. As soon as you select it, Base44 will switch into a guided mode. This is where the second part of the process comes in, following the on-screen prompts. The platform will typically walk you through a series of questions or configuration screens. These might ask you things like which page or component you want the modal to appear on, what should trigger it, and what kind of content you want to show inside it. Take your time with each prompt. If Base44 gives you default values, quickly double check that they make sense for your use case before you continue. For example, if there's an option to choose the trigger, decide whether you want the modal to open when a user clicks a button, loads a page, or performs some other action. If there's a prompt related to the size or position of the pop-up, think about how much content you'll be showing and choose a layout that won't overwhelm your users. As you move through the prompts, Base44 may also show you a live preview in the editor. Use that preview to confirm that the modal or pop-up looks the way you expect. If something feels off, you can usually go back a step or adjust the settings before finalizing. Once you've completed all the on-screen prompts, your modal or pop-up will be created inside your project, ready for further styling or content adjustments as needed.